How to apply for a digital BRP card. You cannot directly apply for a BRP card. It is issued after your visa application is approved, and by 2024, the process will be fully digital. Understanding the BRP application process. The Biometric Residence Permit, BRP, is automatically issued once your visa application is approved. You must first submit your visa application, then book a biometric appointment as part of the process to receive your BRP. Transition to Digital BRP. The UK government is transitioning to digital BRPs. While physical cards are still used, many processes now use share codes to prove your immigration status online. Using BRP for right to rent. Landlords can verify your right to rent using the BRP number online or by checking the stamped vignette on your visa. For specific inquiries, contact UKVI through their official channels. That's it. Thanks for watching.